Hey everyone, Chef Shane with Z Grills. Today we're going to be preparing some delicious juicy burgers, and we're going to compare on a charcoal grill and our Z Grill wood pellet fired grill. So to start, we have our 80%, 20% ground beef, so 80% lean, 20% fat. We've got a couple slices of white sandwich bread, and then we've got about 7 different components and seasonings to add to that. We have fresh green onion, milk, salt, pepper, garlic, Worcestershire, and ketchup. These elements are actually going to go into our hamburger mix. So to start, we're going to take our 2 pieces of white bread, going to get them in the bowl, and we're immediately going to add the milk. We want the milk to saturate and start to soak into the bread. We then add our salt, our pepper, all of our garlic, about 2 to 3 cloves, depending on your tastes. Worcestershire, give it that really rich flavor, complement the beef, and then we're going to do the ketchup. Now, the fun part, we've got to mash this all together. You can use gloves, you can use your hands, but what we're trying to achieve is to create a bit of a paste. And this paste is going to work as a seasoning base and a flavor base with the ground beef. And then we're going to form our patties. So as you can see, it almost looks like a wet dough in a way. We're then going to add that to the ground beef. So I create a little well in the bowl, then I'm going to pour right in. Now we keep on mixing. So let's get in there and really incorporate all the ingredients together. You can use a spatula, you can use a fork if you want to mix. I prefer to get in there with my hands because you really can manipulate everything together. Now, before I forget, we're going to add in the green onion. Pop of color, a pop of flavor. Now, we're going to use our Z Grills hamburger press. This is actually going to help form our patties. And it looks like we're probably going to try to achieve about 4 burgers. So let's get these in here. These are going to be really, really generous in size. So I roll out a ball about so. I place it right into the press. You have your lid, and then you're going to smash down. But as you can see, beautiful burger patty. So now that we have our burger patties ready to go, we're going to step outside and we're going to grill 2 different ways today. We're going to grill on a wood pellet fired grill, and we're also going to grill on a charcoal grill so we can compare flavor, cook times, temperature, and everything that comes with it. Hey everyone, now that we've put together our burger patties, we're out here with 2 different grills today so we can do a side-by-side comparison. We're going to put 2 of the burger patties here on a grill with wood charcoal, and then we're also going to put 2 patties here on our wood pellet grill. So we'll get a comparison of flavor. Let's get started. Our wood charcoal grill is heated to around 500 degrees. We've got it right in the center. We're going to place these grills right in the middle. Now we're moving to our wood pellet grill. There we go. So both of our grills are working with 2 different patties. We're using an 80-20 blend. So we have 20% fat on these burgers. We're going to lose a little bit of volume, but it'll make for a really nice steakhouse style burger presentation. We'll be back with you soon. All right, so we finished both of our burgers, and remember, we're doing a comparison. The first burger on my left was done on a wood charcoal grill. The burger on my right was done on a wood pellet fired grill. Now, if you immediately look, we have pretty even consistency on both cooks. We're like right around a medium well, so we're around that 145 to 150 mark. One of the things I do notice right away is that the wood pellet grill, you do still have retained a little more pink edging. And another difference that I noticed with the wood charcoal grill is that the burger patties cooked more on each side rather than a consistent temperature circulating throughout, which means that the wood pellet fire grill, with its ability to temperature control and hold an even temperature, will continue an even circulation of heat. So it'll cook on the sear, and it'll also to continue to cook a little on the top as well. One other important note is that the wood charcoal grill, the patties, didn't necessarily cook as even on the wood pellet, so you started to see little breaks and cracks. You know, you had to be careful about it falling apart. But overall, it stayed together really well, and now we're gonna do a taste comparison. So here is our wood charcoal grill. We have dressed our burger with aged Swiss, raw onion, lettuce, mayonnaise, mustard, and ketchup. So we have our first bite here. Let's see if I can get him going real good. Great flavor. Remember, we use green onion, Worcestershire, salt, pepper. We use milk with the bread to form the patty. Really delicious. A little bit of that wood charcoal flavor too. Really, really similar. The thing that I notice is that the patties seem to condense a little more on the wood pellet grill. Seems just a hair more solid, but the flavor is similar. There's a little more smoke wood charcoal flavor with this guy, because when you're heating your wood charcoal, you're gonna get a lot of excess residual smoke, especially as the fat drips down. But remember, it doesn't hold temperature the way the wood pellet does. Overall, flavor is right on for both of them, but I think in terms of the consistency of the patty itself, I'm leaning towards the wood pellet grill. So there you have it, my friends. Two different burgers, wood charcoal and wood pellets. I'm leaning towards the wood pellet, but overall the flavor and the texture is amazing. Thank you for stopping by today with Z Grills. We'll see you soon.